restrictions ఉంటాయండి. మొత్తం beach will be closed from 6 p.m. I'm sorry. Beach will be closed from 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. tarvata nobody should be available on the beach from Yerada up to Bhimli. So number 1, I repeat, beach will be closed at 6 p.m. Number 2, many other roads, inka konni roads and flyovers will be closed on that day. Primarily because కొంచెం పిల్లలు కొంచెం ఓవర్ ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యి కొంచెం స్పీడ్ పెంచుకొని వెళ్తారు, చివర్లో రోడ్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్ జరుగుతుంది, life, they lose life. So therefore konni roads and flyovers will also be closed. Danki detailed ga advisory 31st morning ADCP traffic garu will give. Like for example, Telugu Talli flyover will be closed, BRTS will be closed. So likewise many other roads, flyovers where ITSZ lo ఎక్కడైనా మనకు స్కోప్ ఉన్నాయో హై స్పీడ్ కొంచెం స్పీడ్ పెంచుకొని పోవడానికి అటువంటిది roads will be closed. Public celebrations will not be allowed. What is public celebration? Gumpu gumpula oka place lo, public garden lo gani, oka beach దగ్గర, beach lo yalago it is closed, but other places gardens lo, public parks lo రావడం, అక్కడ సెలబ్రేట్ చేయడం, కేక్ కట్ చేయడం అటువంటిది will not be allowed. So no public celebrations. Fourth point, public places lo kuda celebration kaakunda vere purpose ki kuda public places lo public gathering will not be allowed. Fifth, aa roju ee revelers ante evaraina ee bike meeda koncham haravudi cheyadam, ikku shabdam use cheyadam, ikku speed tho velladam atonti daniki special drive untadi and wall meeda strict action will be taken, very strict action will be taken against those people. And final point, we encourage everyone to stay back in their community. మీ అపార్ట్మెంట్ కాంప్లెక్స్ లో, మీ కమ్యూనిటీలో ఉండి మీరు న్యూ ఇయర్ ఈవ్ లో ఉండండి అని మీ అందరికి our request. So there will be restrictions for the New Year Day, New Year Eve celebrations like last time. Last time also same thing was done. This time also almost same thing will be done.
Sir, star hotels loni.
So basically one point is